Oh, the bus is pulling up. I just walked up. Six Flags Magic Mountain on a Saturday. Ace event. Let's do this. Let's go. Okay, something new. They're either closing priority or they don't have priority anymore. So I've heard that we're back to, Bugs Bunny's out and his girlfriend. And I don't remember his girlfriend's name, so let's go take a peek. I love seeing the kids happy like that. It's awesome to see the parents out and taking pictures. That's why the characters are out. So if you do see the characters, please go greet them, talk to them, have a good time. There's a lot of good people here. It looks, pretty busy right now. But as I was saying, I need to go head over here to the experience place to see what the deal is now with Fast Pass, because last time I was here, we had wristbands, and now I'm being told we are now back to the telephone. Back on our phone devices. That sucks. I won't lie. I'd rather be on the watch, the wrist thingy. But I heard even Notch has gone to the phone. I see it. It's been a while. Work's been kicking my butt, but anyways, I'm up to 653 subscribers. Thank you everybody for staying aboard and watching the show and supporting. I do appreciate it. Anyways, let's head in here. I got lucky. I walked in and there was Jackie. So we're set up. We're gonna be going to the Ace Pavilion for lunch. I know the schedule. No, you know what? It's not lunch yet. There you go. So we're looking at a 5 p.m. group takeover for West Coast Racers. Not gonna lie, I'll be there, but I'm gonna probably skip the ride. Maybe, I don't know. That just does my neck dirty. And then I think we're waiting till the park closes after that, and we're gonna get a ERT on Twisted Colossus and Wonder Woman. Do I take the rides on Wonder Woman, just do Wonder Woman over and over? That sounds enjoyable. Twisted Colossus sounds enjoyable too, though. Yeah, Rolo, follow the signs. Always blame frustration. Well, I got lucky, got in the park, saw Jackie, we ate lunch, did our Ace lunch meeting thing. Well, now I'm trying to get my Fast Pass figured all out. I had to reset it, and now they're saying I'm not logged in into the park, so I'm gonna come all the way back up to the park front, get logged back in, and go back. I can't wait in line. Come on, man. Six Flags, you got to do a better job. This is piss poor. So now we go back. I am scanned in now. I just got double scanned, even though it locked up 2 scanners, which is awesome. So that's pretty cool. I was trying to get everybody a little quick break. So let's go back to the Premium Experience Center. Premium. Well, that was quick at least. We got that one solved. I am gonna walk up around the whole park, take some footage, hopefully some off-ride footage, and just really go around the park. I won't really lie. I need to do some videoing on the rides with like Tatsu and things with my new glasses, even though I still haven't figured those out. Yeah, way to go, Rolo. Being an IT guy, supposedly. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what I got. Let's see what kind of stuff I can get into. I just want to travel the park and get it. I have another video that I haven't even put out yet. It's got the new track on it. I went out back and security's like, hey, what am I need the video, bros. Come on, don't hate. Anyways, let's see what we got up here, all right? Let's go next to you. Magic Flyer back there because these were just put up this last year, and now we're not going to even use them. We're going to take them down, put up maybe a new one, a whole new one. You got a whole new ride coming, and that ride's gone. So yeah, I ain't going next to. What was I thinking? No Fast Pass, bro. Come on, let's go. Maybe go to Tatsu, but not. Yeah, what was that? Crazy day. All right, let's go. Again, seeing the youth go on Viper. I get it. I really do. Y'all are pliable. I'm not. So, I'm skipping. But I do hear it going up that lift hill, which is amazing. It is a sound you hear and you're like, huh, that's Viper. It's running. Let's go. And I just saw Revolution roll by. Let's get some footage. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Because I got none so far. Shows you what kind of day it is right now. Revolution's packed already. And like I said, it's what, 2:30? So yeah, it's a busy day. Doing a little tree trimming around here, looks like. That's all right. Tatsu. On one train right now, actually sitting on the exit part of Tatsu. Just got a nice run through. I'm looking to see if I maybe grab this Revolution area right here, and maybe some more. Maybe I get the pretzel and stuff with Tatsu. Again, I'm trying to get more off-ride footage because, again, I know that's what you guys want to see. You don't want to see me, you know. We've been to Magic Mountain. Let's see the rides roll. Let's go. All right. You know, it's sunny out. It's about 70 degrees out with a solid breeze. It is not weather to go in the water like that. I'm sorry, it's just not. Like, who needs the water like that? But some people do. So, in they go, wet they get. And not this guy. So, yeah, let's keep rolling. So have you ever lose your hat on Viper? Whoa. Change that. So if you ever lose your hat on Ninja, it's right there. The graveyard of hats for Ninja. Literally right there. You know it. Sucks to be you, bro. Sucks to be you. the Apocalypse running. Yeah, a lot of people say it's rough. It is rough. It's not as smooth as it used to be. It does need some work. Again, I said before, I'd love to see that, all the RMC track, like tremors on that thing. That thing would fly, it'd be sweet. A new car is sitting in the back area right here with the West Coast Racers. That's a brand new car that's not even out here being displayed. The bus is moved, so I don't know where the bus is at the moment. Maybe up front again, or maybe parked in the back, could be. Looks like maybe we moved the cars up here at West Coast. A lot of people already eating. Remember, I warned you guys always, before noon, you gotta be getting your eats. If not, it's after 3, so. All right, let's stick around and see what else we can get to kind of trouble. I still gotta get on some rides. I haven't even got on rides, and I've been here since noon. It's what, 3:30? 3:30.
Is that ride any good?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
It's cool, yeah.
How long's the wait?
I don't know.
A little while?
We did that guy.
Oh, stop.
Yeah.
Lucky people. All right.
Wow.
Wow, new merchandise. That's wicked cool. I might get that Tatsu shirt. I do love Tatsu, and I don't have a Tatsu shirt. That'd be kind of cool, so we'll look and see. Let's go get the off-ride footage of the loudest ride in the park, or loudest active ride in the park. Riddlers, because Superman ain't going, and Superman was loud, but Riddlers, anytime you hear that ride going, you know it's Riddlers. Kind of like Viper with the lift hill, but this one. Stoked again right now. Got some good off-ride footage of Wonder Woman, Riddler. I think I got a really sick shot of Riddler. Coming right past Crazy Andy right now. Just was up in the air, spinning like a torch. You know, I won't lie, vlogging and just vlogging, I don't know if that's for me. Because like I'm running through it and I'm like, man, I want to go on that ride. I want to go on that ride. But I'm trying to get everything done because I know I'm going to get to do my ERT tonight, which is really what I want to ride, but at the same time, I want to get a POV shot, so, torn is what it says, torn is what it says, I say. And then again, what is it, almost 5 o'clock, so only 3:45, RoLo, so you got an hour before we do our picture at West Coast Racer, so I am trying to hustle through that too. All right, well, let's get back to it. Some more fried
Oh,
fish.
let's see it. Let's get it. Went something. Went something. Oh, got it.
The guaranteed
This guy
small
right
prize.
here
You do 8
has the
ducks,
best
the guaranteed
voice
and medium
for
size prize.
all the games.
16
Right
points
here.
you need for a large prize.
That guy right there
32
should be on
points.
radio. A lot of new construction even behind from the big side, but man, the kids zone is getting beat up. They've got this whole thing circled off. They are not joking right now in that section. They are working quick. I'm coming over here to see if this is all cornered off too. Oh no, they got this section over here, a little bit. Kid rides over next to the bear. So it looks like you just got to get in on this side. You can't get in over there or on the front side. So, all right, I'll go back to the other construction zone in a minute. Updates. Well, that's good news. We got construction work. We at least got dirt being moved. Things are getting done. Kids zone is getting done. We're gonna have a new coaster here for sure. It won't be the big one. It won't be the kiddie one, but we're gonna get that big one. It's gonna happen. And I think we got one coming right after it. Getting those coasters back in, getting the numbers back up. New stuff, new park, new dates, new times, events are out. Ton of new music. I don't know, maybe. Let's get this park going. It's clean. I will say it is clean. Park's pretty decently packed. I haven't been on anything, so I don't know what the lines look like. But just looking around at people and just in general, it's busy. It's good to see. Okay, time to show you the ultimate fast trick cut, however you want to put it, in my opinion, in the park. All right, let's go. So as you can see, if you walk through that back area or the exit of Revolution, you can cut up and get up on the round backside of Tatsu, so you miss X2. Well, sorry about that. And you miss Viper. You don't have to deal with all that whole corner. You just cut through, come through. Good little save. If you're not going X2 Viper, why go around? Unless you want those steps, which I do try to get because, let's face it, I need them. That's right. Boysenberry Icee at Six Flags Magic Mountain. And I just got totally lucky in the draw. The director of Six Flags Magic Mountain, who makes the decision to bring Boysenberry to Magic Mountain, was in line, and I go, I hope this is forever, or was this just during Boysenberry? She goes, it's forever. She goes, I'm making it forever. And I go, bless your soul. Bless your absolute soul. So, but I won't lie. As is and nots, the different machines or whatever it is have a different taste, and this has a different taste. Maybe I just don't have a straw. She did offer me a straw. That was my fault. I'm so happy I just got Boysenberry Icee. I'm like, so anyways, let me drink this a little bit. It's a little bit different. It is better to have it than not, so I'm not gonna complain. but down the hill we go. Maybe we'll give it an apocalypse. Maybe. They just walked by again, the two ladies that were up top, sitting and talking about the Boysenberry, the one director who said, it's happening, so it's dope. All right, let's sit here and maybe get a shot of Viper. Oh my God. I've called this Viper twice now. Ninja Rolo. I take it back. The Boysenberry Icee was amazing. You do have to have a straw to get to the bottom of it. I believe the syrup is heavier, so that's why it's down that way. So yeah, it does taste better. West Coast just snuck up on me like that. All right, let's see if we get on Apocalypse. We got 28 minutes. Let's see. Well, that was a fail. I was gonna go in there and go in Apocalypse, do Fast Pass, get in. Fast Pass wait is all the way at the bottom of the lane, of the entrance. I'm like, wow, that's really long for Apocalypse. A young lady comes out, one of the ops, I ask her, are you guys running 1 or 2 trains? She goes, we're actually running 2 trains, but only half of another train. I'm like, oh, okay, all right, that's understandable. So I'm out of there, and I'm gonna maybe come take some maybe a little more ride footage if I can find some real quick, and then be back for that picture. Sweet afternoon. Even though we're gonna get a ton of rides on it today, I needed some POVs. I got back row, a row 7, and a solid row 1. Let's see if the POVs come out. Let's see how the quality is, I am snobby that way. But we were looking back there, I was looking at the timer, and nothing's under 60 minutes except for the dive coaster daredevil thing, and that's a paid attraction, so it is busy. People are here. They're having a lot of fun today. Everybody going out and riding rides, checking everything out, so stay tuned. We got some ERT tonight. I'm gonna go charge up my phone and do a little more construction. I would honestly say that is the most amount of structure we've seen since it started. A lot of dirt moved in here, which is awesome to see. Don't know what it's for, but it does look like they're trying to compact the area down. Nice to see when it's done. I can't wait. Get another coaster. Don't care what it is, as long as we get a good coaster. All right, I did like 3 different circles this round and round and round. Got some good off-ride footage. I'm happy about that. I got some POVs of Wonder Woman. Well, one POV that's really up front. Everything, the other 2 are in the back anyways. All right, gonna get my stamp. Gonna go charge my phone and go back. We got ERT still, and I want to ride. All right, I just tried to score the scoop for the electric plugins. We are still at a no, but very wise opinion was just given to me by one of the employees. And he said that it's mostly they're going to get turned on when the season opens, like Hurricane Harbor. And that's brilliant if you think about that, because that's when season opens and you want everything to get going. So again, everything probably set up and ready. Hopefully, I mean, again, this is Six Flags Magic Mountain, but again, we can hope. Again, if the crew's doing the best they can, then they'll get open when they can. But again, that'd be awesome if they do get open. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of cars, so they probably would use them. I mean, one being me. So, all right, let's charge my phone up, get some stuff packed away because we don't need it. The sun is down, and we'll be back in the park in about 45 minutes. See you then. So do remember, when you do come to Six Flags and you want to go back out, make sure you get that stamp on the exit corner. And when you come back in, just go to that re-entry. The stamp is, they'll just scan your hand and see the stamp, and you're right back in. So, all right, off we go. Also, FYI, I don't think the Emporium has all the shirts that I think the store down next to West Coast Racers has. So if you're looking for apparel, West Coast Racer store, I think, has the best apparel selection right now for rides. Maybe the Six Flags attire or something like that, just regular Six Flags stuff in there. But ride attire for sure is sitting down at the West Coast Racer. So I'm gonna give a mad shout out to a young man and his young boys in the bathroom. You know, it takes a young man like that. So I got cut off because of some workout thing. Anyways, I was saying, you know, a new dad, two younger boys, you know, sit in the bathroom, you know, wash your hands. So the one of the boys walked by and they're like, he's like, you know, tell thank you, please. It's just nice to see, you know, a young father raising two good young men. It's good to see. It means, you know, future's bright like that. So keep it up. I gave him some props. I said, raise us two good young boys right there. And he's like, thank you. You know, so it's like, yeah, it's respect. Nice to see. All right, Goliath running that lift hill. Skip. Maybe not. I might come back. I don't know. We'll see. And I'm probably gonna grab something to eat. And then, yeah. Let's see what time it is. Wow, I can't remember the lights are on in the buildings and the clock. That's kind of nice. Getting that stuff, you know, lit up. Because I'll be real, this used to be dark over here, and they got the light bulbs all lit up, so it's nice to see. Not as dark, so it is nice. All right, let's go and grab some. I think some Wonder Woman rides. That would leave me Twisted Colossus if I want to do that as my ERT, or I could just have a Wonder Woman. I just took a ride on Wonder Woman. It's about 8:30, and I'm glad I did that because man, I'm cold. So I'm actually gonna run back out to the car. Not run, walk real fast, and get my pants that I have, and maybe my gloves because I am a little bit chilly. And yeah, I'll be right back in, and I should, you know, be good to go. Wonder Woman was amazing. Again, I don't know what I'm running for the ERT yet. Maybe both. I don't know. All right, note something. There is preferred entrance, but it does close at noon. So if you do not get here before noon, it will be closed. You'll be going through the regular lines again, just like Knott's Berry Farm is. So that makes sense. That's kind of the way the chain is. So good. It is, I think, 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock. I'm gonna head back to Wonder Woman, I believe. I'm torn. I'm not gonna lie. A little torn. So we'll see. Could be both Wonder Woman and Twisted Colossus tonight. I don't know. I can go to Twisted right now. I don't know. Whoa, what do I do? Have fun. Let's go. Let's go. All right. FYI. From Wonder Woman to the parking lot. Preferred first row. Not covered and back 31 minutes getting pants on, change, all that good stuff. So you should be able to get about a parking lot. Just think about that. It takes 15 minutes back. So if you do have something out in the parking lot, it's really not that big of a deal. But at the same time, it is time consuming because there's 30 minutes out of your day. And we all know we'd rather take 30 minutes to ride coasters. So yeah, I am off to Twisted Colossus. My thought process is if I at least ride it once, it's ridden. But if I don't ride it, I need to ride it. So it's kind of, you know, so I'll figure out riding. It's been amazing. I got 7 rides on Twisted Colossus. Rode a bunch with Jackie. I think we rode 4 times back to back. Robbie was right up. Guy's amazing. Twisted Colossus Robbie. Mad shout out to my homie. That guy just knows how to get it done, and it's cool. But I got 30 minutes left. I'm gonna run over here to Wonder Woman, see what's going on, get a couple more rides in, and then yeah, I'm out. Gotta go pick up the missus and head home. So yeah, it's been an amazing day. I think I am gonna wrap it up right now. If I don't, you know, you guys know the deal. You just edit and edit. So as it is, keep your hands up, your seatbelt buckled, and your phone in a pocket. A zipper one, please, okay? Stay tuned for more, because I got a ton more content later. Like I said, off to Virginia soon. Let's go. I am going to bring this back, because I totally forgot that Wonder Woman. I have rows 7 and 9 to do to complete the train tonight. So let's complete this train. Let's go.